Jolene, you can hang out here as long as you want.
I will.
It's time now to check in with our friends and sponsors of the show, the Indiana Design Center, to learn some about the latest spring trends that are happening
Yes.
in town.
So not only are we going to learn about some of the latest trends, but there's actually an upcoming show. Oh, thank you, Ryan.
Yeah.
I'm going to step up over here with these ladies. So we have two local business owners with us who call the Indiana Design Center home to their businesses. So ladies, welcome. We have Lauren Taylor of Holder Mattress Company and Stacy of Rusted Window. Hi, ladies. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Thank you so much for being here with us.
Thanks so much. This looks fantastic, by the way. This
This is
display looks
gorgeous.
awesome.
Yeah, we just were talking about the flowers.
Just a small piece of what you'll see at the Indiana Design Center.
Wonderful. So tell us each about your businesses and what you do.
Sure. So my grandfather started Holder Mattress 75 years ago. We build all of our own mattresses in our factory in Kokomo, Indiana. They're all American-made raw materials, all two-sided so they can be flipped and rotated. We build the highest quality mattress set and the best sleep in Indiana. And we have a showroom right in Carmel in the Indiana Design Center.
That's great. A family-owned business. What year did you say he opened the company?
1947.
Oh, wow. Congrats on such a long run. That's great.
Yeah.
That's cool.
You guys are doing something right, for sure.
We are.
Yeah. And tell us a little bit more about your business.
So not as long as 1947,
Yeah.
but we've been around since 2014. We're located across the hall from Lauren in the Design Center,
Okay.
and we do fresh flowers, home decor. We do a lot of gift baskets, so we're gearing up for Mother's Day.
How did you come up with the
Yes.
name Rusted Window?
I've always thought windows were very important to the design of a home, and you know, when I see a beautiful home, it's always got gorgeous windows,
Yeah.
but I always like a little vintage flair with my new, so that kind of brings the Rusted into it.
Oh, that's fun.
That's a fun way to, just brighten up any home. And you guys have brought the brightness to the studio here. So tell us a little bit more about some of the samples you have.
So we kind of started pairing things together from our different showrooms, kind of working on trends. Color's really back in. People love color. Some people are afraid of color, so we also kind of mixed in some textures here and just kind of thoughtful in the way that we curated our home decor into our gifts and kind of paired everything with the color palette in mind.
We're
Yeah.
thinking all things spring, right?
Yeah.
So bringing the outside in, bringing in lots of color, really making the inside feel just as fresh as the outside does.
Ooh, and I know you just touched on it. Mother's Day, it's coming up.
Yes, it is.
So this would be a really good time just to come see you guys.
Exactly. Lauren has a lot of gifts over in her shop. She's got anything from bracelets, they have frames, they have mattresses, they have pillows. We have the same thing. We have different pillows. Anything mom wants, we can probably take care of for you.
Ooh, yeah. Okay, so do you guys have a favorite? Like if you had to say, okay, I hope someone would get me this one gift, which one would it be?
Ooh, a floral arrangement from Rusted Window.
Look at that.
Yes,
Look
and
at
like
that.
this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, that's
That is
gorgeous.
gorgeous.
And like I love how this is like tree bark down here.
Yeah,
Look
it's
at
one-
that.
Our most popular are birch wrap vase. Inside it's got a little glass insert, but it's just got a little character and
Yeah.
something different.
Nice
That
texture,
is
too.
beautiful.
Texture, I love
Yeah.
texture.
All right.
Let's talk about this event coming up on Thursday.
Yes, so we've
Yeah.
got a big party coming up Thursday night, 5:30 to 8:30. We want to invite everyone out to see all that we have to offer. There will be a panel discussion. You'll get to hear from local experts, talk about their fields and trends and things that you should look for and incorporate into your own home. There will be food and drinks and cocktails and dessert bars, and there's also a really big giveaway that I'm excited about. We're going to be giving away a gift card to Holder Mattress for a mattress set. It's a $2,000 value.
Wow.
It is at least worth coming out for that.
Yeah.
But there will
Yes.
be lots of other things going on, as well as new showrooms. So if you haven't been to the Indiana Design Center in a while, come check us out because there will be things you've never seen before, and every showroom has something a little special happening. So it's a good time to come see us.
great.
The Spring Design Open House. That sounds like so much fun. And I love how you guys have made it an event, too.
Yeah.
With, you know, some
Yeah.
food and just kind of making it
Cocktails.
fun for people to go.
Yeah.
Oh, and
Love the
Stacy,
party.
I needed to hear from you. What was your number one
Oh,
gift
yes.
idea?
What was your gift
Yes.
for Mother's Day?
I love to garden, so
Yeah.
I like our little modern sprout gift sets over here.
Okay.
Oh, that's so cute.
And
so
the
that all
hangover
comes
kit's
together.
nice, too.
The hangover kit? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good Mother's Day.
A lot of moms will enjoy that. Well, you guys, we've got all the information that's just popping up on the screen right now for the Indiana Design Center. I'm telling you, I love every time I go in there because I find something new every single time. So, ladies, thank you so much for being here
Yeah.
with us.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Hey, coming up, we'll share how you can celebrate the food, dance, and music of Poland next month at the ultimate cultural destination in central Indiana.
Oh, that's right. I'm loving